Oh my God. Oh, 555, angel number 555. Ew, ew. We're about to see right now. We're about to see right now. What the fuck is this? Oh, the rocks look dusty as hell. The rocks look dusty as hell. Need batteries? It's alright, because I got some batteries. Does it come with batteries? Come with batteries. Do me some justice. I'll be back. Alright. I got some batteries. I'm gonna pour this in there. Does this go in there? Yes. I'm gonna pour some water. It ain't say how much water to pour now. Alright, I'm gonna that's it. Hold on. Whew. Hold up. Can you open this? I'm feeding. Hold on. Let me. Look, y'all. Let me put y'all right here. I'm about to turn it on. Stop feeding. Hold on. I'm about to turn it on right now. Where the water at? I know you need more? Drink up, my good friend. Must be parched. Alright, that should be good. I'm gonna turn the light off. Oh,